Hi guys, welcome back to Bring It. You've got the Q, we got the A.
And here we go, without further ado. So, I have no agent. How do I get auditions?
Charles, that's perplexing. You seem like you would have an agent. You're quite a talent.
One would think it is a mystery to me how I get anything done.
The question of how you get auditions when you don't have an agent is the most frequently asked to me, and really it's simple. There are resources you have now to submit yourself, and Casting Frontier is probably the most effective in that. There are jobs there constantly, and when you're new, you got to get out there. You got to get tape. You got to get yourself seen. You have to get experience, and this is really the only way to do it. But it didn't exist before. If you don't have an agent, you are going to be your own agent.
At least for a little while.
For now.
So, have a good headshot, get into a good acting class, and start submitting. Being in a good acting class is of paramount importance. It is absolutely vital because being in the class is going to garner you more confidence, and the more confident you are, the more your desire to get in and actually try to get those auditions. It isn't just about lip service, you guys. You have to get engaged in this industry. And
to tell you the truth, that's all Bring It is. It's an empowerment. You know, you got to find your tools, you got to find your power, and you got to show up, and you got to bring it, because if you don't, someone else will.
Absolutely. And so now, on that note, here is your homework assignment for this week. You are going to do one thing every day, so it will be 7 by the end of the week. You are going to go on the Casting Frontier website, this amazing resource for all things acting, and you are going to explore it and search all the nooks and crannies thereof, and you are going to submit yourself for one project every day. Whether you get the audition ultimately or not is not the point. I want you in the habit of submitting yourself and understanding what it takes to do that. Pretty simple, see that?
See, I did it.
We could do it again in slow motion.
Ooh.
Boom.
Wow.
There you go. Done.
I know you can do it.
Listen, we're here for you.
We believe in you.
Have fun. Get to work.
Stop complaining.